Hey, ma'am! Are you open yet?
Sir, we're not open for another 45 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, we open right at 10.
I'll be right here. Hey, you open yet? I need my adjustment.
Sir, we're open at 10.
Is the doctor here?
It's closed.
What's closed?
The office.
The office? Okay, I'll be back then. Hey guys.
How are you doing today?
Good, I'm just gonna go use the bathroom. I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom before my adjustment. I feel so much better now. Thank you. I'll see you later. Actually, I gotta do one more. Oh, it's time for the next device. I'm a pro at this.
Oh, sir, that's not how we do that. Let me show you the right way to make sure.
Are you sure? I'm really good at this.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Like a hang, right?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Oh, I'll show you hang. Oh yeah.
No, sir, no, come back up. Come back up.
Oh no, what?
No,
That wasn't perfect?
no, down and back up.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, okay.
Like a
You
rock
got
star.
This. Yeah, you got this.
Like a rock star, I got it. Am I doing it right?
You know what? Yeah, that's great.
Oh, what the heck was I supposed to do this with? Oh my goodness, the table's going down. Oh my goodness, the table's going down. Everybody's thinking I just keep going up. Somebody help me. Somebody. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Hey man, how long you been here for? Do you think you can help me? Hi Dominique. How's your day going?
A few moments later.
All right, I'm gonna go get adjusted now. Okay, I'll be right back. But hey, I have these pictures I just took this weekend. Yeah, you see me and my dog.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm gonna go get adjusted now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go. But before I do that, I just wanted to say that you are fantastic. You make this whole place pop.
You know what else could pop?
What?
It's fine.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Okay. I'll go.
Yeah.
I'll see you afterwards.
Yeah.
I'll see you soon. All right, bye. Bye. Oh, it's time to go vibrate now. What do I do here again?
Sir,
Yes?
if you could just push this button over here, the one that says 5M.
Oh, Jesus Christ. How much the bed? Oh, okay, I got it. How do I look?
You can just try to be a little bit more straight. Needs to. Okay, just do your best.
It's not vibrating. What am I supposed to do now? Well,
Okay, so once it stops vibrating, you can step out and then you're all done.
I'm done?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about that part. Hey guys, I'm back. Bit of a hurry today. Number 1. Exercises? We don't need exercises. I got this. Oh yeah, warming up. Okay, I'm ready for my adjustment. Number 1. Perfect. Oh, what's this device? This thing is, it's just crazy looking. I don't know if this is for me. I like this. Oh, a spine candle! I can't believe it! It's amazing! Oh, that's a little vertebrae. What's this here wobbly thingy? Oh, look at that! It just jiggles. Oh, look at these T-shirts. Oh, drrandycracks T-shirt. Oh, he's even doing the thumbs up thing. All right. Oh, and they got supplements. Oh, magnesium and oh, I'm not gonna need that. I'm not gonna need that. And Max GI. What does GI stand for? Guess, okay, sounds good.
All right, sir. So I'm gonna go ahead and start teaching you the warm-ups, and then your number 1. So when you're finished with your exercises, make sure you hang your number up. We're gonna do 20 of these.
Okay. 1, 2.
You know what? Let's just do 5 today. Let's start with 5.
Well, sweetie, I can't concentrate if you keep talking to me. Now I forgot what number I'm on, so I'm gonna start all over again. 2.
Okay, you know what? Actually, we're gonna be done. We're gonna go ahead.
Oh,
and
that was it?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
All
we're all
right,
good.
all right, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's-
Hey, sir, don't forget the weights.
Oh, okay.
So you have to put this on your forehead.
Oh, my bad.
So
Got
there's
it.
like a Velcro here.
Uh-huh.
That's where you should put the weights.
I think I got it, but thank you.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's perfect.
Okay,
Thank you.
you say so.
My bad. Hey, did you hear the joke about what you call 2 chiropractic buddies? Vertebros. Give me some knuckles right there, partner. You come here often? I don't know what to do. I don't know what else to say. I can't figure it out.